Your body is silently processing 50 gallons of blood through your kidneys right now today alone. But what if I told you that toxic buildup in these vital organs could be stealing your energy and threatening your long-term health? Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal a natural drink that could change everything. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Robert. Today, we're diving deep into kidney health, something most people completely overlook until it's too late. I'll show you exactly how to recognize when your kidneys are struggling and share a powerful natural remedy that supports their detoxification process. Understanding your kidneys. Critical role. Think about this. While you're sleeping, working, or watching this video, your kidneys are performing an incredible filtration job. They're constantly cleansing your bloodstream, balancing your body's fluids, and eliminating waste that could otherwise poison your system. Yet here's the problem: we obsess over liver cleanses and gut health, but kidney wellness, it barely gets a mention. This oversight is dangerous because compromised kidney function doesn't just affect one area. It triggers a domino effect throughout your entire body, contributing to cardiovascular problems, hypertension, and numerous chronic conditions. Is your body sending distress signals? Let me walk you through 5 critical warning signs that your kidneys might be overwhelmed. Warning sign number 1. Persistent exhaustion. If you're constantly dragging yourself through the day despite adequate sleep, your kidneys might be failing to eliminate toxins efficiently. These accumulated waste products circulate through your body, creating that overwhelming sense of fatigue. Warning sign number 2. Fluid retention. Notice puffiness around your eyes when you wake up? Or maybe your ankles swell by evening. This visible fluid accumulation suggests your kidneys aren't regulating your body's water balance properly, often accompanied by increased inflammation. Warning sign number 3. Unusual urinary changes. Pay attention to what's happening in the bathroom. Dark, cloudy, or unusually foamy urine or any strong, unpleasant odor, these aren't normal variations. They're potential red flags demanding medical evaluation. Warning sign number 4. Elevated blood pressure. If your blood pressure readings have been creeping upward, kidney dysfunction could be the hidden culprit. These organs play a crucial role in blood pressure regulation, and when they struggle, your cardiovascular system suffers. Warning sign number 5. Persistent lower back discomfort. While not all back pain relates to kidneys, persistent discomfort in the lower back region, especially on the sides, could indicate kidney stones or infection. Now, I cannot stress this enough. If you're experiencing these symptoms, please get proper blood work done to assess your kidney function. Consult with your healthcare provider for professional medical guidance. What I'm sharing today is a supportive nutritional approach, not a replacement for medical treatment. The natural detox solution. Let me introduce you to a science-backed beverage that harnesses the power of 5 kidney-supportive ingredients. Before we get to the recipe, let's understand why each component matters. Ingredient analysis. Beets. The circulation enhancer beets contain naturally occurring dietary nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow specifically to your kidneys, what medical professionals call renal perfusion. Additionally, beets are rich in betaine, a compound that supports methylation, which is essential for detoxification pathways in both your kidneys and liver. Scientific research validates these mechanisms for kidney support. Red grapes. The antioxidant powerhouse red grapes deliver resveratrol, a potent antioxidant that's been extensively studied. A 2016 research study demonstrated that resveratrol actively protects kidney tissue from oxidative stress and inflammation. It works by inhibiting NF-kappa B, a molecule responsible for inflammatory responses in kidney tissue. This natural compound provides protective benefits at the cellular level. Ginger. The inflammation fighter fresh ginger contains gingerols, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. A 2017 study published in the Renal Failure Journal showed that ginger extract significantly reduced inflammatory markers associated with kidney stress. This makes it an excellent addition to any kidney supportive protocol. Lemon. The stone preventer. Lemons and limes are loaded with citric acid, which binds to calcium in your urine, reducing the likelihood of kidney stone formation. They're also rich in vitamin C, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. A 2006 Journal of Urology study confirmed that lemon juice therapy effectively increases urinary citrate levels, providing protection against kidney stones. Cucumber, the hydration hero. Composed of 95% water, cucumbers promote optimal hydration, absolutely essential for kidney function. They also have an alkalizing effect on your body, helping to balance pH levels and create an environment that supports kidney health. Creating your kidney detox drink. Here's exactly how to prepare this powerful beverage. You'll need 1 cup of red grapes, 1 small beet peeled and chopped, 1 small cucumber peeled and chopped, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger peeled, half a lemon, 1 cup of water. Preparation steps. First, prepare all your ingredients by peeling and chopping the beet, cucumber, and ginger. Add these along with the red grapes and 1 cup of water into a high-powered blender. Blend thoroughly until you achieve a smooth consistency. Next, strain the mixture. I recommend using a coarser strainer rather than a fine mesh. This preserves more nutrients and fiber while removing larger particles. Once strained, squeeze the juice from half a lemon directly into your drink. Important timing tip: consume this immediately after preparation. Oxidation begins quickly, degrading the nutritional potency of fresh juice. When to drink it: the optimal time is first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, allowing maximum absorption. However, if you already have a morning routine with other beverages, you can enjoy this between lunch and dinner again, on an empty stomach for best results. If you found this information valuable, I've created an entire library of evidence-based health content that can transform your wellness journey. Click the video appearing on your screen right now to discover more natural health strategies that actually work. And don't leave without hitting that subscribe button, because every week, I'm bringing you practical, science-backed health solutions that empower you to take control of your well-being. I read every comment, so share your experience with this kidney detox drink below. Your success story might inspire someone else to take action. Remember, your kidneys work tirelessly for you every single day. Isn't it time you returned the favor? Until next time, stay healthy and stay empowered.